Hey guys, so come with me on my trip to Vermont. It is, of course, my first time going there and I am excited. We're gonna be staying in Burlington, Vermont, and the drive is about 6 hours. So we're gonna be driving there and follow along. Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more. Stop for breakfast at Chit Chat in Hackensack. We have made it to Vermont officially, and since we can't check in until 3 p.m., we decided to go for a hike. And our first stop is Mount Philo. So we will be there for a couple hours, then get snacks before we go back to the hotel. I believe we are what seem to be halfway there. We just crossed the road, and I will hold that once we cross the road, it's easier. So far we've just been going up, and now we will continue going up. From here, I can peek the view. I'm not there yet, but I can peek the view from here. Just got in. This is a cute little room with a TV, and get to see outside. But for some reason, this thing doesn't go all the way up. But yeah. We just got breakfast. I didn't record it, but it was so cute down there. So we got everything, honestly, plus tea. And we're about to enjoy. They even have hot chocolate. We read these. Listen. Yeah. It's time for adventure today. So follow along because today we have the most things planned. We're going to Stowe, that is in Vermont. So we didn't think it was an actual hike because from what I saw in the pictures and the videos, it was just like there. So I thought it was like, oh, you're on the street, you go and look at the waterfall. But since we've made it so far, we decided to go all the way down with my shoes and my two-piece. Time to go back. Sad reality. Oh, so nice up there. So apparently they have 2 rides. So this one is technically free, but because you have to go to the other one first. So this one is going through a resort. It'll show us like some stuff. So let's see. Got the famous apple cider donuts. So I feel like I was under the impression that I would taste apple cider more in it, but it just feels like regular donuts to me. But I could use some syrup with it, so it's not too impressive. That's my opinion.
restaurants to be a flavor and similar to another part of the
I'm done with the tour. Back to me now. It's time to say goodbye to Vermont now. It was nice while it lasted. Now it's time to go to back home. But before we go back home, we're gonna stop at Connecticut for one more adventure and I guess go back to work. On my stop at Connecticut, we visited the Elizabeth Rose Garden, which unfortunately was not in bloom, but there were still some beautiful flowers. My only thing was the flies. There were a lot of flies, but I want to visit when it's in bloom. I was so like mid June to visit. Like I still left my print though. Like when I go back, I'm gonna look for my name there. But it was nice though. It was nice to see it, and I would love to go back when everything is in bloom to see how beautiful that thing looks. You know, that garden looks. But after that, you know, going home on the traffic, it was 2 hours away. But overall, my trip was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought. You know, things to do when I visit Vermont again or Connecticut. But I'll see you in my next video.